Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Are you currently looking to list your property but are wondering what you need to fix up or how much renovation you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing it and if it's worth it. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what's happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than previous years. This means, as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or that could have been overlooked in the previous month. In recent article from Realtor.com, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to the buyer, which usually means some selective updates. However, since we are still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your house standing out from the competition. And you will need to consider the return on your investment too. According to 2022 Remodeling Impact Report for the National Association of Realtors, hardwood flooring refinishing and putting in new wood flooring has the most significant value in today's market. Also, what just as important is to make sure your real estate agent know of any upgrades you previously done. This way, they can be properly marketed to the buyers, aware of the future and improvements. Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and your money wisely by consulting with a professional agent to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to my team and I so we can go over the best strategy to renovate to optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. And remember, at DBK Real Estate, my team and I, we have the result that will move you.